Having an electric heater at home, we often ask ourselves the question of why the upper part of the heater is actually, indeed, somewhat cooler than the rest. The answer here is the air cushion. The key element is the thermal expansion of the heating medium. Namely, as the temperature of the heating medium increases, its volume increases, and consequently, so does the pressure. Air, on the other hand, being a gas, is compressible and compensates for the increase in volume. A well-functioning heater-radiator system efficiently and effectively heats up to roughly around a temperature of approximately 60 degrees. And in these conditions, the volume of the air cushion should be considered. We, as the manufacturer, recommend around 8%. Failure to use an air cushion can potentially lead to negative consequences, including damage to the heater, such as capillary crushing or deformation of the entire radiator.